Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Software Sannyasi. Today, we are going to solve an interesting string manipulation problem from LeetCode. The challenge is to reverse the strings inside each pair of matching parentheses, starting from the innermost one. Let's dive right into the problem and see how we can tackle it. Problem description. You are given a string S that consists of lowercase English letters and brackets. Your task is to reverse the strings in each pair of matching parentheses, starting from the innermost one. The result should not contain any brackets. Examples. Let's look at some examples to understand the problem better. Example 1. Input S equals apt, output dpa. Example 2. Input S equals you love I, output I love you. Explanation: the substring love is reversed first, then the whole string is reversed. Example 3. Input S equals ed awk, output LeetCode. Explanation: first, we reverse the substring awk, then itco, and finally, the whole string. Approach. To solve this problem, we'll use a stack to keep track of the indices of the opening parentheses. Whenever we encounter a closing parenthesis, we'll reverse the substring that lies within the corresponding opening parenthesis and the current closing parenthesis. We'll repeat this process until all parentheses are processed. Finally, we'll return the result after removing all the parentheses. Code implementation. Here's the code that implements this approach. Initialization: we define a helper function reverse to reverse the substring between two indices L and R. We initialize an empty stack to keep track of the indices of opening parentheses. We also convert the string S into a list of characters ls to make it mutable. Reversing the string, we iterate through each character in the list ls. If the character is an opening parenthesis comma, we push its index onto the stack. If the character is a closing parenthesis comma, we pop the top index from the stack and call the reverse function to reverse the substring between the popped index, corresponding opening parenthesis, and the current index, closing parenthesis. Final step: after processing all characters, we join the characters in the list ls, excluding any parentheses, to form the final result string. Conclusion. And that's it. We've successfully reversed the strings inside each pair of matching parentheses, starting from the innermost one. This problem is a great example of how stacks can be used to solve problems involving nested structures. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials, and leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!